Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on FXCM. And if you want to buy, the first thing that we are going to do is go right here to the symbol list, and right here at the symbol list we need to decide what we want to buy. So let's go to cryptocurrency and select, for example, Dogecoin. Then we remove right here the order chart, and then we are having right here the chart. Now we want to create ourselves a position. So first of all we decide if you want to buy or sell. Now, let's say for now we want to buy, then we go right here to market, and then we decide right here for how much contracts we want to step in. Sorry, how many contracts. Now, 100 contracts is fine. That means that we buy 100 coins of Doge. And right now we can also create here at advanced a stop order or a limit order. It's almost the same as take profit or stop loss. So you can do that if you want to do that. And then after that, click right here on buy 100 Doge. And now we created ourselves right here a position for 100 contracts. Now, if you want to sell, we click right here, sell, and then we can do exactly the same. And if you want to close the position, we go right here to portfolio, and then we go here to the order that we just created, click here on the cross, then do close position, and now we close that position. So this is how you can buy and sell right here on FXCM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.